Thanks for joining us in another NavNet 3D training video. I'm Jeff Kozlerick, your host for this video series. This video will be talking about how to install charts onto your NavNet 3D system. We'll cover several topics such as how to format an SD card, how to find your charts and download them off the internet. We'll talk about installing them onto the SD card, and finally taking that SD card and installing it onto your NavNet 3D system. So let's get started. I'm going to turn this over to Clayton Pattison.
Thanks, Jeff. Today we're going to talk about installing NavNet 3D chart and satellite photo data on your NavNet 3D multifunction display. The NavNet 3D multifunction displays, such as the black box here, come pre-installed with a complete library of all US vector and raster charts, the 3D data, and with at least one satellite photo region. All of the accessory chart packs available for the NavNet 3D can be acquired through your local Furuno dealer, who can either install them for you on your NavNet 3D machine or simply supply them to you on SD cards. Furuno USA also offers a USB hard drive including all of these charts on one drive. All of the accessory world chart packs as well as the updates for the US chart library are all available online at www.furunousa.com, where you'll find direct links to both the world chart packs as well as the US chart updates. Downloading charts from a website is quite easy. From your favorite web browser, simply go to www.furunousa.com. This will bring you to our homepage. Next, hover over the Products menu and a drop-down menu will appear. Simply click on NavNet 3D. When the page loads, click on the orange title that says Charts for NavNet 3D. Now the charts for NavNet 3D are loading. Once the page loads, you will be able to narrow your chart selection by using the facets on the left side of the screen. You can sort by chart region, chart type, or price. Here, we're going to first sort by chart region by clicking on Mexico West. If I wanted to, I could sort again by selecting chart type, but because there are only 3 charts to choose from, I'll click on the first chart. The next page that is displayed is a brief overview of the chart, with a sample of coverage area and a description of what you will receive with the chart. To download the chart, we need to click on the link that says, click here to download chart from matmedia.com. A new window will appear from the MatMedia website. When you scroll down, you will see the chart information and an outline of the chart area highlighted in blue. After verifying that this is the chart we want to download, you will now have the option to download the 3D data, raster charts, and sat photos. Here we're going to click on View and Download Raster Charts. At this point, another window should appear showing the chart area we've selected to download, highlighted in blue. Hover your mouse over the blue down arrow icon and a pop-up window will appear. To download the charts, simply click on the words Download Raster Charts. A dialog box will appear asking you to either open, save, or cancel the download. Click on Save and specify where you want to save the chart on your computer. I'm going to select my desktop and then click Save to begin the download process. You can repeat this process to download the 3D data and the satellite photos. Now once the file has been downloaded, it's almost ready to go on the SD card. The only thing we have left to do now is unzip or uncompress the file. You can do this by right-clicking on the folder that's been downloaded and selecting Extract All. This will allow you to unzip the file. And once the file's been unzipped, you don't want to change the file name in any way and discard the folder that it comes in. Now that the file's been extracted and removed from the folder that it came in, it's ready to go on the SD card. But we have to format the SD card first. To do so, insert the blank SD card into your PC-connected USB card reader. This can be purchased from any office supply store. Once the card is inserted, open the My Computer window, right-click on the SD drive, and select Format from the drop-down menu. A second window will appear, allowing you to change format type. Left-click on File System and select FAT, and click Start, and then OK on the confirmation window that appears next. Now that we've formatted our SD card, we're ready to copy our chart or sat photo file to the SD card using the simple copy and paste method. Since we've already removed our chart or sat photo file from the folder that it was downloaded in, we're now ready to put it on the SD card. It should be on your desktop, unzipped, and ready to go. And all you have to do is right-click on the file, select Copy from the drop-down menu, bring up the blank window for your SD card, right-click in the center of this window, select Paste from the drop-down menu, and you will see your file appear in the blank window. At that point, it's saved to the SD card and ready to load on your MFD display.